So a proper hip hinge is going to be key, whether you're doing a hip dominant pattern or going through a knee dominant pattern like a squat. We need to make sure we maintain a nice neutral position through the lumbopelvic area. Oftentimes what I see is first move isn't a hip hinge, it becomes an anterior pelvic tilt, so dump the pelvis forward, start crunching those facets, and then if you're trying to go down into a squat, it's actually going to block you out. So I use this bench because you can hang feet off and you can actually hang your knees off the front side, and you're going to feel a little bit of instability there. I'm also going to use two key points, low back and the front side, to gauge whether or not I'm maintaining that nice neutral position. So low back, simple. Put your hand at your low back. You should have a nice neutral curve. We don't want that curve getting any bigger, and we don't want to turn around the opposite direction. On the front side, thumb on your bottom rib, little finger on the ASIS, that front hip bone, and we don't want the distance in between those points getting any bigger, and we don't want it getting any smaller. So once you have those two areas locked in, then we're simply making sure that we're hinging through the hips and moving forward. Quick tip, oftentimes people think they need to have an upright position as they go into a movement because we've been taught straight spine. When you hinge, your shoulders are going to go forward. It's just the opposite end. So if the hips go back, shoulders need to go forward. So you're maintaining a neutral position. You can angle. We just don't want to go into any flexion or exaggerate or hyperextend the low back. So make sure you keep those points in mind. Hip hinge, don't go through pelvic tilts.